Okay, now we're going to see how to create a database and a database user and table on CPanel. It's a little bit different from XAMPP in some ways. So in XAMPP, you just go into phpMyAdmin and it give you the options. But here on CPanel, you can't create your databases in there. So phpAdmin won't even start. So let's go back home and we're going to go to MySQL databases. Okay, so all the databases in cPanel are going to be prefixed with your username. This is our username on this host. So we're just going to call it DemoDB, I guess. All right, create database. Okay, so now there's a database there. Um, there's no, we can access it as root. That's not the proper way to do it. So we need to create a user for our application too. Home and oh, in the free version, you can only use your root. Okay, it's a little different. Okay. Normally, there would be some more options down here to create users and grant them privileges. Okay, on the free host, you do not have that option. You can only use root. Okay. Um, but I don't want to show my root password. I am going to change my password temporarily. Let's go back home. And change password. I'm going to give it something silly. Um, um, oh, 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, I'll just have a break. Seven characters. Okay. What do I want to call it? Okay. Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay. I was using some. Most passwords they require some kind of punctuation. Let's see. Oh, come on. Okay. Uh, okay. Username. Go back to this one. All right, and the password that we just set. Okay. Now, since we created that database already, I'm going to delete that database and make a new one because I believe that the database that we created would have the. Oh, we'll try it. We'll see. So I'm wondering if the database was created with the old password. So we'll try it. Okay, so let's uh, just go to PHP connect. All right, gonna make a new table. I'll just call it my table. Number of columns. Let's have 3. Okay, let's just call this ID. Make that auto increment. Where's that at? Auto increment. Integer. That's fine. Let's call it name. Last name. Isom. Why Isom? Okay, Isom. Okay. Okay, so there's our table. If we can't browse it because there's nothing there. All right, so let's insert. Let's insert some records. Okay, we don't need to do this auto increment, so we don't need to input anything there. So for the ID, so I'm just gonna be Kevin Miller. Put the other team members here. Oops. Tiffany. Um. Usually, okay, here we go. Insert with one more row. Oh. Oh. What an idiot. Okay. Let me go back. Okay, we're going to create a table. Just call it my table. I'll give it 3 columns. Okay, first column, let's just be ID. Make that auto increment. We'll have first name. That's just gonna be varchar. And last name. Also varchar. And go. Save it. Oh, okay, give varchar length, I guess 25. Okay, here we go. Can't browse it because there's nothing there. Let's insert. Okay. So, all their team members. Okay, now we can browse it. Here we are. I got our simple little table there, my table. Okay. Now we need to connect to it. So let's just search for a simple PDO. Uh, okay. Let's go PDO. Okay, let's go over to NetBeans. All right. I can just take this comment out. So we're just going to modify our hello PHP, and let's put in this. Let's go to the top. Okay. Server name is localhost because um, to the web server the database is on the same machine, so it's local. Even though to the user it's not local, but to the web the Apache web server it is. All right. Username is the same one. And our new temporary password is okay. So we should be able to run that, and if everything is good, uh, we won't see anything different. If there's an error, it'll display the message here. All right, so let's save it, and we can't run it because of uh, the way that this host is set up. But we can upload it. Tools. Um, okay, to upload them manually without doing the save and run. You just right click on your folder and say upload. And choose which file. We only have one file. So upload, of course. Oh, we changed the password. Okay, so let's go back into the settings and update our password here. Project properties, okay. Alright. Okay, we have to manage our connection here. Cafe Joy, we gotta put in the new password. Okay, let's test it to see if I typed it properly. Unknown host. Oh boy. Okay, succeeded. Alright. Save everything. Okay, so now upload. There we go. Alright. Yeah, okay, we can synchronize that. I think it just, if there was changes made on up there, it can, if you're like in a team project, somebody else changes it. It's kind of like Git, but not as good. Alright, so if we go over here, and go back to our home page and